Yeah, this is our worst one since 1913.
Uh-oh. Is he going to be mad at us, Mr. Fire and Rescue?
I don't know.
Good. Anyway. Do you know the guy at all by any chance?
Yeah.
Is he a nice guy?
Sure. I mean, you know, but you may ask questions.
Yeah. Or you want, I mean, can you back up going up there, or can you just drive forward?
Can I? Which
See the people? They're right there. See the skiers?
Okay, so they're just coming down here?
Yeah, they're going to go they're going to go back up there. They're going around the corner of I-70, so I need to be up where those people are. That's where I was going to walk to, but yeah, just to where those folks are. They're waiting on me. They're around the corner. See that?
Oh, okay, so
Should I ask that guy?
Yeah, just.
He's out of here.
Yeah. So now you want to go on that ramp
No, on
up
the ramp
or
right
on this
there.
one?
Yeah, the ramp right there.
Right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you back up?
Yeah.
You mind? Okay. I mean, back up. Then you're illegal, or you could go forward.
Yeah. Well, it'd be easier. Then I don't have to turn around.
That's right. Yeah. Good. All right. This was pretty exciting.
They're different, that's for sure.
He might be wondering, what are you doing? Now he's gonna go get this done right here. He hasn't yet, though. He is a little wondering what you're doing, but...
Why go up backwards?
Yeah, you're illegal at least. And if you just drop me off and then go back down, I'll walk it down, and then go get in trouble with you. Well, thank you very much.
For sure.
If you feel sorry for me, come back get me.
Okay.
I'm fine.
Who knows?
Who knows it? Might just be. Thank you very much.
Better?
Don't go yet.
Wait for us.
What I really need to do is
Wow, that was
have
cool.
them ski past that, you know, like if they,
So you could have some reference.
yeah, reference to 228. But when they come, just try to yell them, go, keep going.
Continue to go down.
Everything.
You gonna set
Do
it
me
up
a
right
favor
here?
and just hold
Sure.
down here.
Absolutely.
Because then if we say exit 228.
This is 35 pounds. It feels heavier than 35
It's
pounds.
actually lighter than that. It's only 25. But as I get
Really?
older,
So you own this?
I do. I'm going to be panning it that way, maybe. If you can.
Okay, yeah, I'll back fine.
Yeah. If you can talk them into.
Oh, they won't hear sound, right?
Yeah, well, there is sound on here, but.
Yeah, you just dub that out. Turn, make turns. Make turns! One's on telly.
That's good.
Keep going past! Keep going past, Jeff! Go past. Keep going. You gotta get that in. Woo-hoo! You're not supposed to look at the camera.
That was the best run of the day!
That's pretty amazing.
I-70.
I-70. How does it rate? There's no comparison?
No comparison. Vail, Beaver Creek, no way.
I-70!
Okay.
On I-70!
I gotta get a picture of you with the big camera.
Just
There are no friends on a powder day.
Yeah.
More of us than her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
By the camera.
But
Sorry, you don't have your phone.
I'm actually not.
I,
It looks like they're doing way more work than I want to be.
dude, this is so much better than
With a
Vail.
swagger.
That's a good shot. It's been a great 24 hours though.
has it?
Oh my God, we had so much fun. We partied last night, met some cool people.
Now what's,
You can't imagine, you think
I
you're
think
gonna
we'll
get
get
out
out
here
tonight, don't
No,
you?
westbound.
well, which way are you guys going? I'm
Well,
going
I think we
westbound.
were gonna give it up. Wendy, actually, the gal on the left up there, she's gonna, she's staying up till Sunday, so she was gonna stay and go west.
Yeah.
Go back to Denver in the morning.
Where do you stay when you go up to Vail?
Those two guys, the guy in yellow and the tall guy, they bought a condo in East Vail.
Like the record? That's funny.
You know, the camera legitimizes it a lot,
Yeah.
other than just being out here dicking around. The tow truck. That's kind of good contrast.
Yeah.
Is that a car? No.
It's a tow. It's a tow truck, but it didn't tow them up the hill. You know, like a rope tow. No. You know what I mean?
Yeah. That would
Okay.
be good. He said for 20 slides in just in like 2 miles.
Wow. All right, here we go. We're rolling. Just.
This one's for you, Lauren.
Who needs Vail? I've got I-70! Woo! Just another powder day on I-70! Woo!
Denver, Colorado, here I come.
Woo! Go, Jeff, you can make it! We're in that time! Just 54 more miles! Woo! Alright.
I'd like to thank my sponsors and vocal.
Tua! Thank you, Tua! Yeah. Thank you, Mountain Hardware!
This is the Georgetown downhill.
Hi, Mom! Right to the avalanche zone.
I know, that looks good.
That has been my #1 dream in life.
Yeah, maybe we'll make it. Oh my gosh, how far he went.
That's a day.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
First tell me your name, tell him your name and how you spell it. and where you're
Alec
from.
Rhodes, ALECRHODES. I'm from Denver, Colorado.
Alrighty. All right.
All right, Alec, what brought you up here today?
84 inches of powder.
Oh, I can understand that. How was the conditions?
Well, you know, we just had a plow come down, so we were on corduroy for the majority of the run.
Right on. So groomer today then.
Yeah, good groomer.
Got ya.
Up top, there's still some pretty good powder.
Really?
About thigh deep.
Oh, that's incredible. What are you thinking for your next run?
Well, we're going to go create a little terrain park up top, so the 540 rodeo is the next move.
All right.
Name and how you spell it.
Wendy Miller, WendyMiller.
Okay. And
Jenny Keller, JennyKellerer.
all right. Go ahead.
Meet any guys out in the slopes today, ladies?
We actually met two.
Oh, way down.
What'd you think, skiing I-70?
Well, great, except for the avalanches. It was really quite nice.
Yeah, I can understand. You gonna come up again?
Next powder day, we're here.
Why wouldn't you?
Next time the metro area gets 5 feet, I'll be here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just wondering what the safety rules are of I-70 skiing. Is there any new like skier safety codes that you know of?
Well, you have to ski, you know, around the speed limit, 60 miles an hour. You really, yeah, I hear they are giving out tickets for people who are
Really?
skiing faster than that.
I think
Definitely want to watch the uphill snow plows. They have the right of way.
So you showed CDOT how it was done, how to get through this stuff, I'm sure.
That's right.
All right. Well, that's great.
Easy question, your name and how you spell and where you're from.
Jeff Cheeley, JEFFCHELEY, and Denver, Colorado.
Okay.
So how was the traffic today, Jeff? Normally we got brake lights from all the way down to the springs up the hill. So how was the traffic?
Well, you know what? I came around this corner like I usually do. Usually I'm in my car. Today I was on skis, and I always expect red lights and nothing. Clear sailing.
That's incredible.
Yeah, it got a little slushy at the bottom, or I could have carried my speed all the way to Idaho Springs.
So what time did you leave the slopes today to actually make this run?
Last run was at I think about 2. And there was enough snow, we just skied right through Vail Village, right on. Caught a rope tow all the way up to top of Vail Pass, all the way down into Silverthorne, caught another rope tow up to the Eisenhower Tunnel, and it's been clear sailing since.
Right on. Well, I got to say, I think you're the first. You guys are the first to come down
Really?
I-70, yeah.
Well, you know what? I've skied Whistler, Blackcomb, Aspen, Vail, and I tell you what, I don't think anything can compete with I-70.
Georgetown.
Yeah, I'm
Georgetown
sold.
rules.
That's right, baby. Bring it on.
Right on.
I think we need, yeah.
Okay.
We need to say something about when's the last time someone skied, you know, when was the last time you had someone in your movie ski down a interstate highway? In powder.
Yeah, hang on, I'm just getting this.
Okay, so you're...
I don't need to say anything.
What?
I don't need to say anything.
We got to make it quick because it's going to
Yeah.
be like a 3-second shot on his clip. It's going to
I think if you just say it,
yeah.
and then when we're done, we can just all say thank you, Warren. It doesn't
Yeah,
have to be
let's do
together.
that.
It can
Perfect.
just
So
be,
you're
you know,
ready to go.
I'm ready to go.
just say it, Alec, and then we'll say thank you.
Hey, Warren, you know, we've been trying to get on one of your movies for years and years. This is our one opportunity. We just want to thank you for putting us on film.
Thanks, Warren.
Thanks, Warren.
Dream come true.
Colorado.
Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pan over to you
gonna
guys.
say it?
Okay, I'm going to start down here.
Hold on.
Okay.
So what
When
are we
you see the
saying?
camera get to you, what are
Who's
you going to
talking?
say?
You guys can.
Hey, America,
Hey, America, cheers from Georgetown, Colorado, Blizzard 2003, skiing I-70.
Yeah, just say it
Yeah.
slow and clear, yeah.
There we go. 1, 2.
Hey, America, cheers from Georgetown, Colorado. Happy Blizzard 2003. We're just skiing I-70 and enjoying the snow.
Now let's do it again. Okay, here we go. 1.
Hey, Warren
I'm
Miller
gonna do it one more
fans.
time.
Okay.
Okay.
I see you first in
Yeah.
the yellow.
Yep.
So,
So you
well,
want to
yeah,
say
yeah, you
Okay.
should start. Then you can all chip in if you want to. chime in.
How about we all say thanks, Warren, at the end?
Okay.
All right.
Hey, Warren Miller fans, just enjoying the freshies in Georgetown, Colorado, skiing some fresh powder on I-70.
Blizzard 2003.
7 inches.
We'll see.